Ozak AI just launched its rewards hub, and yes, you can claim free OZ tokens right now. Simply jump in, complete quests, share on socials, invite friends. Every action scores you points that turn into real OZ tokens. There's a $1 million pool waiting, and only early hunters will grab the biggest slice. You can open the rewards hub and do some really easy tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more free tokens you can claim in the future. For that, you need to come to this website. I have put a link in description of this video. You can just click on the link, join our Telegram channel, and see all the links related to this project. And then you can connect a wallet and connect your MetaMask to this website. Then you need to sign and confirm your connection to this website. The first task is to make sure that you have connected your wallet, and you can get plus 30 XP by that. Also, you can come to this website daily and check in, get plus 10 XP for every check-in that you complete. Also, it will have some streaks. It means that the more you come on daily basis, you can claim more rewards by daily check-in. After that, you need to complete your profile. For that, we go to profile section. You need to choose a username and also verify your email. After entering your email address, click on the verify and put the link that they have sent to your email in this place. Put the link here and it's verified. Now you need to save your progress. Also, you can get your referral link in your profile and share it to your friends. For that, we'll get plus 10 XP. Then let's complete a survey from this website to claim free XP, and that will change to real tokens in the future. So what's the top OZ token utility you are looking forward to using on Ozak AI? Performance. And then which financial market are you most excited to see Ozak? Agents, crypto. Back to quest. And do you believe predictive AI agents like the one from Ozak AI will transform financial trading next 5 years? Yes, absolutely. Now we have gotten 75 XP for free. You can buy OZ tokens right from their website. I don't know anything about the future of this token. I'm just educating the several sections of this website. So, and next is their leaderboard. And this is not a financial advice, okay? And here you can see their ranking system in the leaderboard section. Omega may get from $0 to $100, Delta from $100 to $1,000, and so on. So let's tell you guys how this ranking system works and what is the relationship between these ranking systems and these rewards and in the points that we farm. So the points that you earn in this section by XP farming lets anyone get a share of rewards, usually in airdrops or bonus tokens. But about the rank system, this is for investors who put in real money, higher influence, and more utility. So this is not a financial advice, and you may choose yourself. I'm not investing anything in this section. I'm doing the free section. So the XP points are what you farm for free participation rewards. And rank is what you climb by buying and holding the tokens. The AI revolution in trading is moving fast, and you don't want to be left behind. If you got value from this video, just make sure you hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the next strategy, update, or opportunity. See you guys. Bye bye.